Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial. This time around we're going to be covering the scatterplot maker from our website HomeworkFactory that you can access through your membership. And here the way to access, there are many ways. When you're in your main dashboard, you can access the tools in various ways depending on how you look for, but usually convenient way is just to look here on the left side navigation bar, and you're gonna find here, click for the scatterplot maker. So what is a scatterplot? Well, it looks like what you see here. It's a bivariate graph in 2 dimensions, x and y, and then you plot the pairs x comma y on this order pair of axes. So very simply, how do you make the scatterplot tool to work? You have to define the x data and the y data. So here what you have to do is just type your data, say 1 2 3 4. Could be way longer, could be 1 10 11 25 blah blah blah, a lot of numbers. Okay, and then for y you're gonna have let's say 5 6 7 9. Okay, so that's what you have to get. It's the x data and the y data. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that these have to have the same number of values, meaning that if you have 4 numbers here, you have to have 4 numbers here. Otherwise, the solver will complain that the 2 arrays of data are not of the same size. So that's it. Here you can add some optionals like the type of you have to type the title, write the title. What do you want as the title? You can write something. You can put the name of the x variable, the y of the name of the y variable, so it shows here on the axis. But at the bare minimum, all you need to have is the x data and the y data, and that's it. You click graph it, and you have a pretty scatterplot. So you see, we didn't type any title, so it just gives you some standard default title. And we didn't add anything as the variable names, so it just types something very generic and default. Say we could type something. This is a scatterplot. This is your custom made title, and then say this is time and this is sales. Say that you want that to be your variable name, so you just click here, graph it, and here you can see this changes reflected in the new graph. You have the title that you requested, and you have the proper labeling for the axis. As you can see, it's pretty simple, so probably you won't have much of a problem with this one. Alrighty, that's all for today. See you in the next one.